What do you want?
Hello. I bought this parrot here.
And,
Yes, it's not alive.
well, it was alive when you bought it.
How do you know? You weren't here. Another worker sold it to me.
Well, we always sell pets that are alive. That is
Well,
common sense.
this one is not alive. It's dead.
Well, it must have died after you bought it, which makes it your fault, not our fault.
No, the worker told me it was sleeping.
You are lying. We don't sell parrots that are dead and say they are sleeping. How dare you?
How dare you call me a liar? I never lie.
You are a liar because your story is a lie. What do you want anyway?
I want my money back.
Well, I can't give you your money back, but I can give you a pig.
Yeah, I'm a pig. Look at me. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't want a pig.
Well, I'm sorry. That's all I can offer you.
Why not another parrot? This one's dead as a doornail.
Because we don't have one, idiot. We only have a pig. Pigs are as smart as dogs, you know.
But I like birds. Pigs are dirty and they stink.
Pigs are not dirty, and this one doesn't stink. That is so stereotypical. He takes a spa once a week. He smells as sweet as jasmine flowers, and he can even do a jig.
I'm clean, clean. I'm a clean pig, yeah. Clean, clean, clean. I like the spa, yeah. Yeah. Now, you called me a liar, but you are lying a lot now.
This pig can do a jig while wearing a wig and taking a swig of water, and sometimes I feed him a fig.
Rhyming again? Actually, all pigs eat carrots. That's not something special you're having him do. Okay, fine. I think you sold me. I'll take the pig. He really is great. He mostly just dances, but that's good enough.
Oh, here you go.
Thanks. I can't wait to show this pig to my friends.
I'm sure they'll love him, even when he doesn't move around that much or really does anything.
What? What do you mean? Hey, this pig is dead also. What the? You were just holding him up and making him dance and eat and drink, or you pretended that. You tricked me again, just like you did with the parrot.
Ha ha! Kabunga! Gotcha! Eat my.
Go.
Ha ha! Kabunga! Gotcha! Eat my shorts.
Nice Bart Simpson guy. I am gonna get you fired.
But I am the boss. You can't get me fired, baby.
What? Well, I'm gonna tell everyone how badly you treated me here. You'll lose your customers.
People will think you're lying. Your story is just too ridiculous.
Well, I actually secretly caught this whole conversation on video, so people can see it for themselves. I will put it all over the internet. See, I was secretly using this.
I'll still get customers. You know what they say? There is no such thing as bad publicity. My shop will become famous.
You mean infamous. Good luck with that.
Thank you so much for helping me get more customers. Here's a dead fox.
You are crazy.
Crazy as a fox. Crazy as a fox. Sharing socks, eating lots in a box with chicken pox.
Rhyming again? You're insane. Totally certifiable. I'm crazy as a fox, clever as a fox, crazy, crazy as a fox. Yeah.